At Kia, we are confident that the future of mobility is now. And that's why Kia's latest driving assist technologies push us one step closer to full autonomy and are designed to provide smart, real-time assistance for you and your passengers in a variety of circumstances. In certain global markets, our new Highway Driving Pilot System, or HDP, is targeting Level 3 conditional autonomy. HDP can help make your daily commute or even more adventurous journeys more relaxing and give you added confidence. Under certain conditions and when properly equipped, the EV9 is designed to maintain a set distance from the car detected ahead, while also keeping the vehicle within detected lane markers, all without having to touch the steering wheel. Thanks to advancements in Lidar technology, the Kia EV9 is available with remarkable environment scanning technology. Our engineers focused on how to intelligently combine captured images so that the vehicle can better detect potential hazards ahead long before the driver might be able to see them. A total of 15 sensors, including 2 Lidars, allow the EV9 to detect objects at the front, back, and sides of the vehicle. And following the EV9's market introduction, even more advanced features will be available through OTA updates.
Kia, movement that inspires.